Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 34. Saram. Saram. This is the Korean term for person. Again, the term saram is the Korean term for person. Again, that's saram. How do you write saram in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable sa, we need to draw first a siyat character followed by an al character. For the second syllable ram, we need to draw a real character, an al character, and a miyam character. And with that, you've just learned saram. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 24 to 33. But don't forget our word for today, word number 34, saram, which means person. The first word for our review is Joesonghamnida, which means I'm sorry to disturb you. Word number 32 is kabang, which means bag. Word number 31 is Alphabetical, which means please take care of me. Word number 30 is toboja, which means see you again. Word number 29 is itapa, which means see you later. Word number 28 is kanyang, which means just because. Word number 27 is pali, which means quickly or fast. Word number 26 is chakaman, which means just a second. Word number 25 is Gomawo, which means thank you. And the last word for our review, word number 24, Chingu, which means friend. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean work.